In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull data from one Google Sheets worksheet to another based on specific criteria. Specifically, we'll learn how to generate a list of students who play a particular sport, such as basketball, using named ranges and the filter function to make our task efficient and organized. First, let's set up our data and make it easy to work with by using named ranges. This technique not only simplifies our formulas, but also enhances readability. Begin by selecting all the data in your worksheet. Once you have all the data highlighted, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see a box that displays the current range. Click there and without any spaces, give your data range a meaningful name. For our example, we'll name it All Data. This naming convention helps us reference this entire dataset easily in our formulas later on. Next, we need to create a named range specifically for the extracurricular activity column, as this is the criterion we'll be filtering by. Highlight the column that lists extracurricular activities, then, just like before, access the top left box and assign a name to this range. Let's call it Activity. With this setup, whenever we refer to activity, it points directly to the extracurricular activity column. Now it's time to switch over to our other worksheet, where we want the filtered results to appear. Here's where you'll see the header row already set up for you. We're set to use the filter function to pull in our data. In the topmost cell of your first column, you'll begin typing your formula. Start with an equals sign followed by filter and an open parenthesis. The filter function requires two main inputs. The first is the range you want to filter, and in our case, that's the entire dataset we've named All Data. So, type All Data and then place a comma to signify you're moving to the next part of the formula, which is the condition. The condition is where we specify that we want only those rows where the activity equals basketball. You'll write this condition using the named range activity by typing activity basketball. Note the quotation marks around basketball. They are crucial as they tell Google Sheets it's a text string. After crafting your formula, simply hit enter and voila! You'll see a list of students who play basketball populate the sheet immediately. It's that straightforward. What's fantastic about this setup is its flexibility. Change basketball to any other activity, like baseball, and your list automatically updates to reflect students who participate in that sport. And there you have it. A straightforward yet powerful way to work with data across sheets in Google Sheets. Just remember, using named ranges and understanding the filter function can save you time and streamline your spreadsheet management significantly.